He was absolutely robbed last episode, so you know Pharrell Williams is coming right back after that ferocious championship. This is bound to be one knocky draggy, because Gridiron is providing the soundtrack for today's slam. And Gridiron happens to be a brawler type band, which gives brawler type slammers a plus 30 HP buff per attack. Pharrell Williams is a high flyer type slammer though. High flyers have to be extra careful during a brawler type set, because their attack and their air are both affected with a minus 20 HP per attack. Beach ball directly to the camera. Dying Cletus untangles the vine to hit a clunky tope. Oh hell yeah, Austin 316 says I just whipped your candy ass, brother. Now you get to see how these high flyer debuffs manifest. High level flyers and hybrid type slammers learn to adapt though. Low level high flyers get totally nerfed. Pharrell Williams also put some time into his tag team build. These debuffs are really grounding the flyers. This cartwheel totally flopped. Pharrell Williams grinding for brawler type HP in the circled circle. He successfully unlocks his brawler badge, making him a hybrid type slammer between high flyer and brawler. He is now completely unstoppable. Remember Red October? He's a power type slammer with a penchant for crowd killing. Massive running 5-star! Bill and Ted. Bill goes, and then Ted hits a dance routine to make the gods weep. Cartwheel. We got some Hoodie Goon Gang representation. Pharrell Williams with the two-step elbow drop combo. Pancake flip leg drop. You see, high flyers are way sloppier than normal. Not new metal dreads guy though. Slammerella gets height and distance on this tope. Brawler type slammers are leveling up like crazy in that dusty circled circle. Danny Fanny gets absolutely flattened by a no-air tope. The Combat Club is out to reclaim this battlefield. Desert Falcon from the Desert Faction with a Psycho knee. Red October crawls out of his sewer to hit a low roll front heel kick. Desert Falcon! It's brawl season. Let's get ready to rumble. The Corporal hits a pump kick, mystery dive. Holy shit, it's Pharrell Williams on the top with a trench crawl. Straight into a lawn dart tope. Ever since unlocking that brawler badge, his moveset and endurance have benefited most. Like he's just unlocked the headwalk ability, and that's bad news for everybody around him. High flyers are still sinking like dead bodies with concrete bricks on their feet. Cartwheels now mostly resemble helicopter propellers. Slammers that are normally sun touchers are now ground magnets. Red October's offense isn't pretty, but it is extremely effective. The Libertarian Librarian is handing out his Antifa pamphlets. Slammerella with a very professional front flip back senton. After grinding it out for a bit, those high flyer slammers are finding a way to make it into the air. Oh no, Slammerella is unlocking her brawler badge. She's now the main competition for Pharrell Williams. There will be a new Furious champion tonight. After only a one-day reign, Combat Katie is going to lose that gold. to the well-rounded, multi-talented slammer known as Pharrell Williams. And then we get a genuine Judas effect. And if there was anybody out there questioning Chris Jericho using this move as his actual finisher, here's real proof that it demolishes people's skulls. It's a legit finisher, as that dude goes straight to the back. That circled circle is getting mighty dusty. New Metal Dreads guy! Wind up doll from Red October! Missile drop kick! Swanton bomb! Kill trip with a crowd kill! A big right hand from a brawler type slammer. As that beating continues, high flyers are flying all around, but they're doing minimal damage. Pharrell Williams with a cheeky silent tope. These debuffs are no joke. Even power type slammers are taking big damage. Pharrell Williams skillfully dodges Brody King and hits a beautiful hip attack. And right back up for an already perfected head walk. Tope con hero! Nice! Libertarian librarian with a tope! Missile dropkick doesn't get all of it. This is how brawler type slammers dive. Red October putting on a recital. Massive mystery dive. The brawl continues. There's no quitting these athletes. Here's the Furious Champion. He gets some mic time. And then Red October is cutting a promo and he gets front shoved right into a sea of marks. And then swiftly gets demolished with a hefty leg drop. Head walk! This really was Pharrell Williams' set. He absolutely owned it from front to back. Sidewinder from the top! And a beautiful running tope by Slammerella to send all those marks home happy. Pharrell Williams is the new Furious Champion. Thank you, Ola Sakito, for all this amazing footage, and thank you for watching. Until my next upload, watch another upload.